Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how you can create a poll in Slack. So let's get us started. At first, you have to go to a website called poly.a. Hit try for free, then select Slack. Now click on Allow. Now let's go back to Slack. Under Apps, you can see Poly, so click on it and then now click on Create a Poly. A window will appear. Here you can use templates or create a new one. Click on Create New. Now you can create a poll based on your needs. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.